Few years ago, I started working in Belgrade-based non-governmental organization Center for Nonviolent Resistance. Our main aim was to empower young people to be active in their community and to influence them to take part in the life of their society. One day we were sitting in the office and talking about our neighborhood, what we really like in the neighborhood. And we all had one place in common, that is stadium. It is open air stadium that is completely ruined and devastated, but it is in the city center. So we started talking about it, what we liked about the place. We liked because we could go after school there and we could spend free time there on rollers or on skateboards. We then started to dig the history of the place, and we discovered that it was built in the 50s, and it wasn't always in that condition. It used to be number one place in the city, where our parents went for ice skating. They organized different music concerts. They organized different sport events like tennis and football matches, and also boxing matches. They even had corrida in 1 year organized. So we discussed what can we do about it, how can we change the way it looks now. We called city government and we asked them if they want to do something about the place, but of course they told us that it's not on their priority list, but it was our priority list. So we decided that we would like to approach young people from our neighborhood and to include them in the programs that we want to develop, and to make public events, to raise the attention and to bring back the attention of the population to the stadium. So we organized a program for this public event. We included 30 young volunteers that then brought around 250 other volunteers to make a program of different cultural and sport activities on the stadium. So for few months it looked like it was in the 50s. We had different things happening there. We had different actors, musicians and sportsmen supporting us. And we also developed online petition, and many citizens really joined our activity. So you could imagine how it was very beautiful for us to open last year in August, to open newspapers and to see that city decided to do something about the place. They decided to invest money and to reconstruct the place so we can create new memories and share new moments on the open air stadium. Thank you.